Hey guys, can you believe we're still in quarantine? Crazy actually, but we're here today to do another quarantine nail video. So if you're interested, then keep on watching. Now this video, I'm not really sure what we're going to be doing with the nails, so now I have a question. If I use dehydrator, is that going to make the nails last longer, or do I not really have to use it when I'm doing polygel? This cord is so short. Check this one. Are these two the same size? Yeah, they're the same size. Now, I wanted to start doing it. I didn't even put my base coat on. No, let's just do these nails first. All right, let's put it in. We'll see how that works. I'll be back, y'all. Yeah, so I didn't like how that other nail looked, so we're gonna try something else. I'm kind of annoyed, and I don't even want to do my nails no more, but I already started this video, so we're gonna end with at least one pleasant nail. And we're not gonna use too much product and waste it, and then having to file it all down, because that first nail, that was quite annoying. So we're not doing that no more. All over the nail. And we'll see if it works. Make sure they're all in the nail actually. Put it on the nail. And that's crazy too. But hey, look at this nail. Looks super cute. I guess we might finish this video after all. Alright, y'all, I'm back. As you can see, I finished one hand. I used white and clear. I did the same technique I used in the first video I did. I put a thin layer of white, add this to it, and then on top of that, I add the white. And then I put it on the nail and I cure it, and then take it out, file it, and that's pretty much it. This is a close-up of the nails. Can you guys see? Thank you guys for watching. See you next time with both hands done now. Bye.